My name is Laura Gibson-Lamothe, Executive Director of the Georgia Fintech Academy. I am here with Mark Frey, representing Corpay, one of our sponsors for the Academy since its inception. Mark, it's so great to see you.
Yeah, it's a pleasure to be here. Thank you very much.
And so we actually go way back. We spoke together. I moderated a panel that he was on in last year's Fintech South. Really excited to have you back here again. But wanted to spend some time just talking about a couple of different topics with you. One being around innovation, thinking about Corpay and all the exciting work that you guys are doing.
Yes.
What is one innovation that excites you that maybe not everyone is necessarily aware that Corpay is doing?
I think one of the things that we've really been focused on for going back a number of years that is really beginning to intensify is the desire to move money fast to every corner of the world. Not just within the United States in terms of real-time payments, but making real-time payments to places like Nigeria and Kenya and Brazil. This is an important part of our focus. And we are really technology agnostic. We layer in a number of pieces of technology to do that, whether it's stablecoin, blockchain, or even real-time payment networks. Because our customers don't really care how that works as long as the money gets to where it needs to be. And so our focus then is to embed that capability within their workflow, within our own technology to make it as native as possible.
Oh, it's exciting. And obviously you mentioned a lot of keywords that we're all familiar with in the fintech space, stablecoin, blockchain, et cetera. Thinking about the growth pattern that you guys have as Corpay globally, given you're supporting the US market, APAC, what does that pattern look like in regards to their appetite to utilize some of these capabilities that Corpay has to offer?
Yeah, I think we've really tried to hone our value proposition around three key concepts. The ability to move ubiquitously between currencies, to trade one currency for another and manage the risk associated with doing business internationally. To move money anywhere in the world, the emerging market or the G20 ultimately. And then to provide banking solutions for fintechs and other businesses all around the world. To really become sort of the incumbent financial institution of choice for a customer that's looking to expand internationally. So what we're always trying to do is help businesses grow their business internationally and with a global footprint as possible. And that's really what we see as our strength.
Well, selfishly bringing this back to early talent, any recommendations or guidance you have for folks that are looking to pursue careers, maybe at Corpay or working in this fintech space?
That's a fantastic question. So I'll have a little bit of bias. I never intended to become a salesperson.
Oh, wow.
I was an introverted, analytical individual, and I found that actually starting in sales was a great training ground for the rest of my career, being able to influence decision makers and being able to articulate ideas very, very clearly. I would encourage anyone that's coming out of school, even if it's not necessarily your inclination, take a sales job and test yourself in terms of creating resiliency and inner strength and you're really honing your communication skills. I'd say the other thing I would encourage all young people out of school is get to the office. Don't sit at home. Don't sit in your parents' basement. Try to get out and meet as many people face to face as you possibly can. Spend time with the seniors that you can learn from. You know, the fintech world is very much an apprenticeship sort of model. You learn through experience. You learn through partnering with others and being in sort of an ecosystem and seeing the opportunities all around you. And that's best executed by getting out into that ecosystem in a face-to-face world.
Oh, I love that. No, it's great advice. Thank you so much for spending time with us today. For anyone that's interested, we'll be including and sharing some of Corpay's thought leadership and links to their website so you can find out more about them. Thank you for watching.